Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Ko-Fi page in 2026. So if you want a simple way to start earning from donations, commissions, or digital products, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to Ko-Fi and click Sign Up. You can use your email, Google account, or social login. Now pick your username carefully. This will become your public Ko-Fi page link, so keep it simple and easy to remember. Next, add your profile picture, display name, and a short bio about what you do. Keep it clear so visitors instantly understand your content. Now your Ko-Fi page is automatically created. Go to the dashboard to start customizing it. Add a banner image, update your description, and include links to your social media or YouTube channel. Now choose what you want to enable: donations, memberships, or commissions. You can turn on all of them if you want. Next, connect your PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually receive payments from supporters. You can also customize your Buy Me a Coffee button and set a goal to motivate your audience. Once everything looks good, your Ko-Fi page is ready and live. Now you can share your link anywhere. So that's how to create a Ko-Fi page in 2026. Once it's set up, you can start building support from your audience right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.